Yo, so once again with another super official food review category. Hey, listen, guess what? Something just been released today. Goldfish crisps. If you've seen Pringles before, but this time, what?
Dad's gonna open it for you.
But this time, it's Goldfish style. So, let's see. Let's give these bad boys a taste. Here we go, baby. Here we go. Wait a minute. These things remind me of something. Think of these as like the Goldfish version of Whales, the other cheese snack, but it's a whale instead of a goldfish. You know what I mean? Because they have the exact same taste as the whales by the company that I can't think of that produces whales. Whales crackers, you know? 10 out of 10 that I would recommend these. So, if you're out to the store, why don't you go out to the store and get your very own Goldfish crisps. And on the back, I'm gonna go with what they say here. And they taste exactly how Goldfish does chips. And I'm not lying, folks. So run out of the store and get yourself some Goldfish crisps today. Thanks for joining me for this video. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram for more great videos. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye!